Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install PyCharm on Windows 11. Now I am going to download PyCharm. Open web browser. Go to Google search. Type download PyCharm IDE. Hit enter. Click on second link Python IDE with AI tools. Now the PyCharm official website is open. Click accept all. Click download. Click download again. Now the downloading is started. It is 872 MB setup file. Now the downloading is completed. Let's right click on it. Click open. Minimize web browser. Click yes. Welcome to PyCharm setup. Click next. PyCharm install the following location. Click next. Click next. Click on PyCharm. Check on add bin folder to the path. Click next. Click install. Installation in progress. It will take some time. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Completing PyCharm setup. Click on finish. Double click on PyCharm icon. JetBrains user agreement. Check on I confirm that I read and accept the term of this user agreement. Click on continue. Data sharing. Click don't send. Click allow. Now PyCharm IDE is open. Now I am going to create and run simple Python program. Click on new. Click new project. Interpreter type project venv. Python version is 3.14. Click on create. Click close. Expand Python project. Select .venv. Right click. Select new. Select Python file. I'm giving it name hello world. Press enter. Type print bracket open inverted comma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Click on run button. Now here you can see the output. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to download and install PyCharm on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.